Hey, welcome in, guys. Brandon with Taylor's Fine Smoke Cooking. Appreciate you guys being with me this morning. Today I woke up, had a hankering for pork chops and eggs. I was debating whether or not I'm going to pan fry them or grill them, or if I'm going to bread them and fry them. Either way, I did run to the store. I got some breakfast cut pork chops. These things are really good. It's going to be real simple. It's not going to take long. Season them up, salt, pepper for the eggs. We're going to use the Kinder's, the blend seasoning for the chops. Put a little rice in a rice cooker, have some rice, and it's going to be real good. It's not a tutorial, just showing you what I'm eating this morning, and I hope you guys enjoy. Stick around. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so here are our beautiful chops. You see they're cut really thin. These are probably cut just over a quarter of an inch. So they're not real thick at all. They're not going to take very long. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and pan fry them or have grilled chops. And again, we're using the blend seasoning by Kinder's. Really good stuff. I've used it a lot. I highly recommend it. Find it at Sam's Club. I got this one from Sam's, but I believe you can find it at Walmart as well. And we're just going to go with a nice coat on each side. Not going too heavy, not going too thin, but just a nice coat. Gonna flip them over and repeat the process. Once I got them seasoned, we're gonna go ahead and get my little grill pan heated up, and then we'll be ready to cook. So I'll see you guys back here in just a moment. All right, guys, so we've got my grill pan heated up, and I'm just gonna use some of this Pam olive oil spray for our grease, our oil. Doesn't take very long. This is a non-stick, or very much. This is a non-stick pan, but I do like to add just a little bit of oil anyhow. And we're just going to lay our chops down in the pan here. Now, if you can see here, I did cut a little slit in each chop. These sometimes have a tendency to want to bubble in the center, and I wanted to have nice contact all the way around. So we did cut a little slit there to prevent that from happening. All right, got these bad boys on. We're just going to let them go for, we'll check them in about 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, see how they're looking, and we'll go ahead and flip. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back. It's been exactly 4 minutes. So we're going to go ahead on now and flip these bad boys over. See, they have a nice color on them, coming along really nicely. Juicy. And just continue to let them cook. We're going to be looking at another 3 to 4 minutes on this reverse side. And we'll be able to pull them and start on our eggs. All right, then another 4 minutes. Time to pull them off and get started on these eggs. You can see they have a really nice color, really juicy. Check those bad boys out. So we're just gonna pull them and let them rest. Like I said, I'm gonna clean my pan off real good. Then we'll get started on our eggs. See you back here in a minute. All right, guys, for our eggs, we keep it super simple. We just have some regular large eggs here. We're gonna make 3 of them today. I like my eggs scrambled hard. But just prepare your eggs however you like. I know my wife likes hers over medium. And my kids, or one of my girls, she likes hers similar, but it's gonna add a little pepper in here. And a little sea salt. Just season them to your liking. Now, I've seen some people season their eggs with seasoned salt and garlic powder and all that. To me, that's kind of disgusting, but to each his own. And all we're gonna do is just beat them up real good. And that's it as far as I'm concerned, the prep for the eggs. We'll go ahead and get that skillet heated back up, and then we'll be back over there at the stove, ready to fry them up. I'll scramble them up. See you in a minute. All right, so same as with the chops, we're going to use a little bit of olive oil spray. You can definitely use butter if you want, or you can not use anything at all. Totally up to you. And we're just going to pour those eggs right into our pan here. When I scramble eggs, I like to just kind of spread it out over the entire pan and just let it sit. I know some people, as soon as it hits the pan, they start going to work and scrambling. I don't really care for my eggs scrambled that way, but I do like them scrambled hard. So I'm just going to let them sit up a little bit. And then in just a few minutes, we're going to start pushing the egg to the center. That way the yolk can run to the outside and all can get cooked the right way. All right, so you can see how the egg is beginning to set up. We're just going to start moving it in like this. Any of the loose runny yolk that needs to run to the outside will. And that one did good. It didn't have much run. So now I'm just going to continue to let it cook. Another few seconds, then we'll flip them over. And then this top side that looks runny, it'll begin to cook as well. So not hard, not just the way I prefer my eggs. So, cook them how you like. All right. So now we're going to just start flipping them. And this is kind of how, when I start doing my scramble. Like I said, I like my eggs scrambled hard. I like them scrambled, but I don't like them to where you can't pick them up with the fork or you have to scoop them. I don't care for them that way. I'll eat them, but I prefer them made this way. So now it's just a matter of continuing to let them cook. Cook them to your desired doneness. I like mine scrambled hard, so I might have a little bit of brownness on my egg, but it's completely up to you. These eggs are completely done. They're completely scrambled and be perfect for a lot of people. I'm just going to let them go about another minute or so, then we'll be ready to plate up. So stick around, guys. All right, y'all. So my eggs are done. I have a nice side of rice here. We're going to just put our eggs down on the plate. Kind of move them to the side a little bit. Put a couple of these chops on here. There we go. Couple pieces of toast. Yeah, we're ready to burn. All right, guys, I just want to cut into one of these chops real quick so you can see how it looks. Get a good look at that. Super juicy. Just look at that. So that's all we have for today, guys. That's going to be my breakfast. Hope you enjoy. Try pork chops for breakfast if you've never tried. I'm telling you, it's delicious. Country boy breakfast all the way. Till the next time, God bless you all. See you next time.